Here's a Genie Model 1024 garage door opener that I've converted to run on the side of the garage door. And with this unit, I just have the power unit, the photo eyes, and then the hardware and everything to get it set up, as you can see in the video here. I don't have the wall button or any remotes for this unit, so this is just the basics. I'll go ahead and run this for you. You can see how smooth and quiet it is. So as you can see, it's pretty smooth and quiet. I've got this mounted on a 9x7 garage door, and so it's got digital limits, so it can run any height of a garage door. And it's got a 3/4 horsepower motor on it, so it's pretty powerful. But if you have any questions, go ahead and send them to me.